Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are gonna learn how to get good gear in Eatventure. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can do that by just playing the game and keep upgrading it. Or if you have enough gems or enough coins, you can just go to the shop option here. And as you can see, there's a big box here and there's also a pet box. So if you have enough gems, I will suggest you to go for the big box as it has better gears. So let's see what we get from here. So as you can see, we have got like 6 cards here. So I will buy it again. So as you can see, we have got one legendary here. So I will show you. So click on this icon here. And as you can see, we have some amazing gears here. So I will show you the legendary gear. So I have all the items needed for forging it. So I will just click on forge. And that's how you can get good gear. You just have to play the game until you reach a certain rank where you have enough gems to buy the gear, or you can also get them in the boxes. So that's how you can get good gear. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.